Okay, so Mr. McTavish's class, this is the code that we were working on, and I wanted to make sure I explained how I troubleshooted it. So first off, I used Serial, and in the Arduino software, if you Google, you can see all the documentation, but Serial allows me to use this serial monitor, and that allows me to output information. So this sets it up so that I can use it, and then wherever I want to print something, I put it. So I wanted to make sure that the update was running. So initially I did serial print line and update, and everything was updating. Then I wanted to check, are my milliseconds, those are updating properly, so that's good. And then I checked the LED state, and that was never changing. So I knew that it was never um, switching to high. So what I looked down here and I realized, oh, when it's low, what it's doing is it's assigning it to low. So remember I said the 1 equal sign is assigning a value, and the 2 equal signs that's the equality. That's where you're checking if two things are equal. So by simply making that change, and I'm just going to comment out these lines so that they're not slowing everything down. If I run this now, that was all it was. It was one little equal sign, and you can see my red light is going on about 3 times a second. This is slow because I'm recording at the same time. And the orange light is going on twice a second. So everything is working the way I wanted it to. I'm just going to quickly show you. I've added that code for the green. So let me just copy and paste that. So there's my green. Oops. Everything's slow while I'm trying to record it. Okay, so there's my green LED light. I'll switch that to green. And everything's going real slow right now. And I will obviously need to add my wires. Oops. Well, that's kind of fun. Not quite what I had in mind. Obviously, I'd tidy this up, but I'm just going to quickly do it so that you can see. And this is going to go to pin 11. Okay, so if I run this now, those 2 lines that I added, now I've got 3 different things going at 3 different times. So everything's working the way I want it to, and I can control multiple things really quickly and really easily. And that's the purpose of this convoluted, complicated code. So have a great weekend.